All right, this is one of the craziest videos I've seen in a long time. Look at this. This Swift driver's coming around on a no passing road right here. This is crazy. This driver is not thinking. He's put a lot of people at risk. He can't get by him. Somebody sent me this video, but check it out. So he's on the wrong side right there. Just cruising along, can't pass him, and he's passing on there. Where's he going to go? Like, where is he actually going to go? Look, the cars are running off the road because he don't care. He has no consideration at all for what he's doing. So he's going on up. Look at this Swift, man. He's just, cars are running off the road, and he could have a head-on collision and kill somebody. And then, where's he going to go right here? He's going to try to, look, there's cars coming. He's just going to try to push himself in. So he's got his blinker on trying to get over. And there he goes. He's just gonna run that little white car right off the road. This is very, very bad driving, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments.